Thank you for joining us in our video. We invite you to click, share, and follow us so you can stay in the loop with our exciting upcoming projects and a treasure trove of helpful DIY tips designed to elevate your home improvement journey. Today, we are absolutely delighted to present an innovative and stylish storage solution that can truly elevate your outdoor space. A spacious 7 feet by 7 feet backyard storage shed. This thoughtfully designed storage unit promises easy assembly, making it a breeze even for those who might typically feel apprehensive about construction projects. Crafted from high-quality, sturdy plastic, this shed boasts not only a lightweight structure, facilitating effortless transportation and positioning, but also exceptional durability, allowing it to weather the trials of time and the harshest of outdoor elements. Its exterior is adorned with an inviting wood-like texture, adding a touch of natural charm that seamlessly integrates into any backyard environment while providing essential storage capacity. With its generous 7 feet by 7 feet footprint, this shed offers ample storage potential, perfect for stowing away an array of garden tools, seasonal decorations, or larger items like an electric lawnmower, ladders, or even cushions for your outdoor furniture. It achieves an ideal balance between practical functionality and visual discretion. The shed's compact profile ensures that it won't obstruct your neighbor's view or disrupt the overall aesthetic harmony of your outdoor oasis. We truly understand the importance of fostering good relationships with our neighbors while maintaining a neat and welcoming atmosphere for friends and family. Before diving into the assembly process, it's crucial to gather the basic tools you'll need at your worksite. Essential items include a screwdriver, a hammer, and a ladder, among other necessary implements. To further enhance your installation experience, we highly recommend enlisting the assistance of a second person. The assembly steps are intentionally laid out to be intuitive and manageable. Each shed package comes complete with a comprehensive manual that features clear, concise instructions and vivid diagrams, expertly guiding you through the assembly process. While the installation process for your shed is typically straightforward, it is essential to proceed with care and attention to detail. Meticulously following each step is crucial to ensure that your shed is constructed securely and accurately, which can typically be achieved within just a few hours. Rushing through the process or skipping steps can lead to unforeseen complications, such as structural instability or a failure to meet your specific storage needs, which could compromise the functionality of the shed in the long run. One of the most rewarding aspects of this project is the opportunity for collaboration. Working alongside a friend or family member not only makes the assembly experience more enjoyable, but also helps to foster teamwork. This collaboration can enhance the efficiency of the installation process, allowing you to tackle tasks more smoothly and effectively, ultimately resulting in a well-built structure that meets your expectations. By sharing the workload, you can also catch potential errors before they become issues, ensuring a successful and satisfying completion of your shed. We are genuinely excited about this product. Prior to making our final purchase, we took the time to delve into reviews across various online platforms and social media, ensuring we made a well-informed decision that met our needs and expectations. This particular storage solution is part of the Costco collection, which is beautifully showcased in their stores. We highly recommend visiting their website or checking out the actual products in store to better assess your storage requirements. We personally visited the store to get a tactile feel for the product before making our purchase, which heightened our confidence. For optimal results during assembly, we encourage you to refer to the step-by-step guidance provided in the manual, paying close attention to the accompanying photographs that vividly illustrate each construction stage. Additionally, we suggest visiting the manufacturer's website to access a digital version of the manual. This online resource includes important information regarding lock installation, details that are not covered in the physical manual but are crucial for securely locking up your shed. This is indeed a well-structured step-by-step installation that simplifies storage solutions. We placed our order and the delivery to our home was swift, arriving just a few days later. The overall quality is impressive, especially considering the affordable price point of around $1,000. If you haven't already, Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the thrilling projects and insights we'll be sharing in the future. Your support means everything to us. Thank you for being part of our journey.